Hi, this is Dr. Mohammad Aminul Islam. Welcome to my channel. In my previous videos, I explained various adsorption kinetic models. These videos have been very popular. Therefore, in this video, I would like to explain mixed order adsorption kinetic model. This video is very important, so please do not skip. Well, mixed order model satisfy the following assumptions. Number one, arbitrary stage of the adsorption. The rate controlling step is the diffusion or the adsorption, and arbitrary initial adsorbate concentration in solution. Now, the differential equation of the mixed order kinetic model can be written as dqt divided by dt equal to K1 into QE minus QT whole bracket plus K2 QE minus QT square, where the pseudo first order and pseudo second order rate of mixed order model can be calculated by using this equation. For example, pseudo first order rate equal to K1 QE minus QT and pseudo second order rate equal to K2 QE minus QT square. However, uh, pseudo first order rate and pseudo second order rate describe the diffusion step and the step of adsorption on active sites respectively. Mixed order model represent the overall adsorption process. So in my next video, I will show you how to fit this mixed order kinetic model using Origin Pro and Microsoft Excel. And this is the reference from which most of the informations have been collected. Thanks for watching. Please do visit Aminulchem Innovation, and if you actually like my videos, please like, comment, share.